So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about global parameters. Actually, what are the global parameters? Global parameters are custom parameters that can be used to create throughout the project, and they will allow you to define and manage project specific parameters that can be used to drive dimensions, constraints, and so on. Now, we will take two examples in this. The first one is, suppose I want to create a parameter of the global with defining a dimension. So first I will make a wall. So this is from level 1 to level 2. I will draw the wall, and this is the, I will take a rectangle or square. So I will place it here. I'll put the doors for this one. So go to the door 1, and I will place the door 2 here, and I will go with the door 3 and door 4. So this way we have placed. After that, I want to adjust the distance between a wall to door opening. So this should be customized whenever I want to modify it. All should be modified. For this, go to the modify tool, and here I will take the dimension di, and here shift to the wall faces, and I will select this, and this we can place some dimension, and I will do for the all wall to door, and I will give the parameter for this to run. Select all these parameters or dimensions to assign a parameter or a label. So go to this, create a parameter. Here I will give this is offset from wall. Okay, I will click on OK. So I will change this. Click on OK, and now all are will be equal. If you want to modify uh, the dimension, so click on this global parameters, and here you have that is 4 feet 2 inches. I will make this is some 5 inches. Click on apply. So this way we can able to modify all these because under global parameter. If you want to access from global parameters, go to the manage, go to the global parameters, and here you can see the offset from the wall. If you modify from here also, it will change. Like this you can add many global parameters, and you can associate the existing parameters of the elements with the global parameters. How this will happen, we will show. In this case, I don't want to create a dimension first. I will define the global parameter first. Go to the manage, go to the global parameter, and click on edit, create new global parameter. And here I will type it is a window sill height, and we can choose the data type. It is a length, and it is under dimensions. So you can take any type of the parameter. Suppose I want to change the material of the uh, element, so you can change here from the length to, you can go with the material. So if you scroll this one, you can able to find that material, angle, area, these are limited, you can't give more. So you can give the length, and it is the dimensions. Click on OK, and the initially what we given, that is also same length and dimensions. So this is also I give the window sill height to, it is some 3 feet or 2 feet 6 inches or 2 feet. So whatever the dimension you want, you can give it. After giving this dimension, now we'll start placing the windows. So go to the window, and here we can see the sill height. This sill height I will make associate with the global parameter. So first I will place the windows. This is the one, two, three, like this. I will go to the south elevation, and I will select all the windows at once, and go to the sill height. Here we have that the small button. Click on associate global parameter. We will click this one and go to, I will reassociate with this one, window sill height. Click on OK. So this is changed. If I put a dimension here, I will go and place the dimension to see this, it is 2 feet. Again, to modify this at all at once, go to the manage, and go to the global parameters, and here we have window sill height. I will change this to 3 feet. Click on apply. So all are changed to 3 feet. It will save a lot of time, and you can associate with these parameters. Suppose I will make this is a realistic, and if you want to control the material of the door or door frame, window or window frame, suppose I want to control the material of this door and windows. So for this, again I will go to the manage, go to the materials, and you can define a new material, or you can use the default material, and then go to the manage tab, go to the global parameters. I will give the new parameter, create a new parameter here. It is a material parameter for the frame. Then we will change this data type. It is not a length, it is a material. So we can select this is the material, and then it comes under the group parameter under material and finishes. Click on OK. And after that, it is created a new category, that is material and finishes. And here you can select that material whatever you created, or suppose I want to put the wood, so search for the wood, and I will go with the, what is the type of wood we can take. So I will go with this red wood. I will take, click on apply. Okay. Now I will go to the door. So I will select these doors. Okay. We'll go to edit type. Here we have the door frame material, and I will associate with this material frame, and the result is we can see that it is changed. The frame material is changed. I will select all these windows and go to the edit type, and I will make this is the slash uh, the sash material. I will go with material frame. Click on apply. Okay. And this way you can use the global parameter whenever you want to change. No need to change separately, just click on that, and I want to give this is yellow, and click on apply. Okay. And all are turned into yellow. This is how exactly the global parameters will work. If you want to do the further exercise, so I will tell you one tip. This is the level one. I will lock this level one. So already it is locked, but I want to pin this one, so not to move anywhere. And I will create multiple levels, create similar, and I will go to pick lines, and here I will give the offset of 10 feet, and then make a number of levels. After that, I will give a global parameter, that is level height. I will create a new parameter. I will define it as a length and dimensions. So it is level height, or you can make it floor to floor height. Click on apply. Okay. And this height I will give a 10 feet. Okay. Apply it. Okay. Now I'll put some dimension for this. So go to the dimension, because we don't have any parameter by default for this levels. So cancel it. I will select all these and go to define that level height parameter. So if you want to do changes of the level height at once, go to the manage tab and go to the global parameters. I will change this to 11 feet. Click on apply. Because it is a fixed, means pinned, so remaining will move. If you didn't pin it this one, it will go down, it will show some -1 feet or whatever it is. So this is easy when you attach with the global parameters. Thank you.